Buying a home and planning to renovate? This is the one moment where building loans give you real power if you're willing to use it. When you buy a property to renovate, you're applying for a new bond plus a building loan at the same time. And that distinction matters. Most buyers think the risk is affordability. If I can afford the bond, the bank will fund the build. However, affordability is usually not the problem. The deal almost always stalls at valuation because banks don't approve building loans on what you spend, they approve on what the renovations add in value. For example, you can spend 500,000 Rand on renovations, however, the bank's valuer only sees an increase in property value of 300,000. As the buyer, you'll have to fund the 200K shortfall yourself should you wish to proceed with the renovations. But the good news is, when you're buying and renovating, you're not tied to one bank. That means we can submit to multiple banks and access multiple valuations. Because different banks use different valuers, and each valuer sees value differently. One bank might see the renovations valued at 300,000 and another might see the full value of 500,000. Why would you pay a shortfall when you don't have to? Now, this only applies when you're buying the home and renovating at the same time. If you already own the home and want a further loan, you're tied to your existing bank. So, timing matters, structure matters, and valuation strategy matters. Because this is where an experienced bond originator makes all the difference.